I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You will first ensure Mongodb server runs locally or on your server. Start by installing the server and CLI tools, then create a data directory and grant your user access. Once done, launch Mongodb with an explicit DB path and confirm the port, usually 27017. You do this to guarantee the daemon accepts connections. Make sure the process is active and not blocked by a firewall. This establishes the foundation for client connections and avoids simple network-related failures. Next, you connect with a client using the Mongo shell or an application driver. Form a connection string, mongodb//user, password at host 27017/db name, auth source equals admin and replica set equals rs0 and SSL equals true if required. Then initialize the client and authenticate. This is why you include auth source and replica set options. Once authenticated, run quick verification commands like show dbs or db stats in the shell or issue a ping/heartbeat from your driver. These checks confirm credentials, network reachability, and correct topology resolution. Finally, you secure and validate the connection before relying on it. Enable authentication and grant minimal roles to service accounts so your app has just enough privileges. Make sure TLS is configured and certificates match host names. This prevents man-in-the-middle risks. Once done, validate by performing read/write operations under the service user. If something breaks, check Mongodb logs, firewall rules, certificate validity, user roles, and replica set health. That single troubleshooting step will usually point you to the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.